It snows in Texas?
One of the main reasons we moved to Texas from the East Coast was all about the sunshine and blue skies. But this year,
it snowed in Dallas. Well, I've got a Tundra. It's 4x4. It snowed. Let's go see how this works. When you're going to engage 4 high, you pretty much can be driving anything less than 62 miles an hour. You turn it once to the right or clockwise. When you do that, you'll see 4 high flash on the dash. And once you start moving here, it will stop flashing. You want to make sure you're not taking tight turns when you're in 4-wheel drive, just because it'll bind up the back and it kind of feels like it's dragging things. To come out of 4-wheel drive, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to turn it once to the left here, go into 2-wheel drive, and you'll see on the dash 4 high will go away, and I'm back in 2-wheel drive. It snowed in Dallas.